And how do you feel about like, you know, being a black trial lawyer, right? Because there is, you go into some venues and it's.
I'm not gonna lie that it's not in the back of my mind sometimes. In certain places, like even the one we tried last year together, it's a venue.
Fantastic result, by the way. I don't know if you know this case, but like,
pissed me off.
They pretty much, you guys crushed this verdict, but it was like a handshake deal with this guy to try the case, and you guys did good on. It was a case that you and I wouldn't have even tried, and they still hit it for over $1 million.
Yeah.
And they're still disappointed in themselves. It's like a home run.
Well, we got cheated because there was juror misconduct because it was gonna be an 8-figure verdict.
On that case?
We were beating their ass.
On that case?
That's what the juror affidavits that we got back were saying. They were talking 8 figures on this case. But
by the way, you and I would not even try this case. We were like,
yeah, it was tough. And you know, our client was a PI lawyer.
That's it. Yep.
So, but this venue, it's in Cherokee County. It's historically all white. It's not someplace any plaintiff lawyer wants to go to try a case. So yeah, in the back of my mind, I'm like, will they accept me? Will they listen to me? But we had a great jury, other than the 2 folks who cheated us. You know, in closing, I could tell I was connecting with them. So I mean, a lot of that stuff sometimes is in your mind, and all you have to do is just thinking about connecting with people. And you know, if you have a good case, you have a good case. So we'll see.
But do you find, because you were the only black associate at that first firm right here in Atlanta, and obviously like a lot of the population is black
in Atlanta. So that's why it was strange. It's like, really? Labor and employment, really? And I'm the only one? Seriously? That was,
But do you feel like that's changing now?
I feel like it was changing, but it's starting to get rolled back with the push against DEI and things of that nature. And I feel like, again, we don't have to go down that path. But
I saw a term like they had the Baltimore mayor, and there's another DEI. I was like, you're just literally substituting the word you really want to say. That's what they're really doing.
Like, pretty much.
They don't even know what it means. They're just like,
exactly. I'm like, he got elected, not hired.
I know.
It's so you know what I've seen a lot of defense firms doing, and I'm sure you guys have seen it too. When you go to trial now, the lead counsels, 98% some old white guy, and they always. I think they might go through their whole office and find the only black lawyer,
I knew you were
like the only like Asian female they have, and they have come sit at the table with them. And no, they don't do any witnesses, they don't do anything, but they like to show, these are my associates. They're going to try the case with me. You got a black,
and what happens is that
female
that plays against them because jurors know what's going on.
Stupid.
And like we co-try cases and we give opportunities to everybody, so we have those real people not just sitting there asking questions, participating.
Exactly.
And jury knows.
I've always thought that as well. I'm like, what are you doing? Do you think these folks in that jury don't see through this? It's all black jury, because I've seen it in Clayton County here in Georgia, where your jury's going to be all black, or DeKalb County, where it's going to be 75% black, and you don't have those black lawyers or associates doing anything on the case. They know exactly what you're doing.